In this video, I'll show you how to watch ZEE5 in the USA for free if you're outside India. When you try opening ZEE5 from the USA, most shows, movies, and live channels won't play. ZEE5 restricts its content to India, so even if some clips load, the full library remains blocked. Certain events, premieres, or series may not appear at all, and you'll see messages saying the content is not available in your region. This happens because ZEE5 checks your location using your IP address, and without a VPN, accessing the full library outside India usually doesn't work. The easiest way to fix this is by using NordVPN. NordVPN is fast, reliable, and works on Windows, Mac, and browsers. It's simple to use, and it allows you to appear as if you're browsing from India. You can find the link in the description to get started with NordVPN at a great price. First, install NordVPN on your PC. Go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description, download the Windows or Mac version, and complete the installation. Once installed, open NordVPN and log in to your account. After logging in, you'll see a world map and a list of countries. Scroll through or search for India. Click on an India server to connect. Wait until NordVPN shows that you're fully connected. This ensures that all your internet traffic is routed through India, so ZEE5 will detect your connection as coming from within the country. For the best streaming experience, look for servers with low load and high speed. NordVPN displays server load percentages and latency, so you can choose the fastest server available for smooth playback without buffering. Once connected, open your browser and go directly to the ZEE5 website. If you already have a ZEE5 account, log in. If not, you can create a free account using your email. With NordVPN connected to India, ZEE5 will unlock previously blocked shows, movies, and live channels. You'll be able to watch free content with ads, access Indian events, and enjoy content that normally isn't available outside India. If ZEE5 doesn't load correctly the first time, close the browser completely, keep NordVPN connected, and open the website again. Refresh the page to make sure the platform detects your Indian server location. Clearing your browser cache can also help if some shows still appear blocked. NordVPN also includes extra security features to keep your connection safe while streaming. Threat protection blocks malware, ads, and unsafe websites. And the kill switch ensures your real IP address is never exposed if the VPN connection drops. This keeps your viewing private, safe, and uninterrupted. So to sum up, ZEE5 won't fully work outside India without a VPN, but by connecting to an India server with NordVPN on your PC, you can unlock all shows, movies, and channels for free. Keep NordVPN connected, open ZEE5, and enjoy content that's normally restricted outside India. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start streaming ZEE5 from anywhere in the world today.